Hey there, welcome to Scantalks, the official podcast from Creaform, the global leader in portable and automated 3D metrology solutions. Today's topic is all about precision, portability, and pure engineering joy.
That's quite the promise. But I think it fits, because we're diving deep into the HandySCAN 3D Pro series, Creaform's newest professional-grade 3D scanner.
This one's for the dreamers and doers, engineers, designers, creators, anyone who needs high-quality 3D data without the complexity or the huge price tag.
That's right. The Pro series bridges that gap between top-tier performance and accessibility. And honestly, it's proof that powerful technology doesn't have to be intimidating.
You know, I always find it inspiring that the HandySCAN family started as a bold idea more than 20 years ago, to make 3D scanning truly portable.
Absolutely. Back then, metrology-grade scanners were massive, fragile, and expensive. Fast forward to today, the Pro series keeps that original spirit, but brings new efficiency and versatility.
So this is really aimed at engineers who want to innovate faster, right?
You're spot on. The Pro series is built for technology innovators and engineering professionals who want to shorten time to market and reduce development costs, without sacrificing accuracy.
And that's huge in industries like automotive or consumer products, where every week counts.
Yep, or even aerospace, where reverse engineering of complex components demands precision, but also agility.
I like how Creaform keeps that balance between innovation and reliability. You feel that legacy behind every product.
For sure. More than 10,000 users worldwide rely on HandySCAN technology already, and the Pro series just expands that community.
Let's geek out a little. I know you've got the numbers ready.
You know me too well. The HandySCAN 3D Pro delivers up to 0.030 millimeters accuracy with 23 blue laser lines, all in a body weighing just 920 grams.
Wait, 920 grams? That's lighter than my coffee mug when I'm stressed on Monday morning.
Exactly. And yet, it's powerful enough to capture the tiniest surface details. Pins down to a millimeter, walls 0.75 millimeters thin, with volumetric accuracy of 0.020 millimeters plus 0.060 millimeters per meter.
So if I'm scanning, say, a car door or a mold cavity, I still get accuracy from edge to edge.
That's right. The Pro series includes integrated photogrammetry, meaning the scanner constantly references itself in space, so you maintain consistent accuracy even across larger parts.
And the touchscreen control. Such a small feature, but it changes everything.
Totally. You can adjust parameters or check the scan on the spot. No running back and forth to a laptop. That's the idea. Mobility and focus.
I imagine that's huge for people working in tight production areas.
Yep. And because the scanner is lightweight and ergonomic, you can scan longer without fatigue. Honestly, it's that attention to detail, pun intended, that makes it so practical.
Nice one. Okay, let's move to my favorite part, software. Because hardware is cool, but software is where the magic happens.
You're absolutely right. The Pro series comes with Scan-to-CAD Pro, part of the Creaform Metrology suite. It's a complete reverse engineering solution that takes you from scan to CAD fast.
And it's not just about converting meshes, right? It actually lets you sketch and model directly on the scan data.
Exactly. You can extract cross-sections, build solid features, and even create parametric CAD models.
Which is perfect for redesigns or legacy parts. I've seen so many teams struggle with incomplete CAD files.
You said it. With Scan-to-CAD Pro, you can rebuild geometry accurately in minutes. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with SolidWorks and other major CAD platforms.
That eliminates so much friction. No exports, no parameter loss, no headaches.
That's the beauty of it. Plus, the interface is super intuitive. Drag, align, extract features, done.
Sounds like every engineer's dream. Clean data and no manual mesh-fixing marathons.
Exactly.
Let's make this concrete. Where does the Pro Series really shine in the field?
Think automotive. Engineers scanning entire bumpers for fit and finish analysis. Or in aerospace, where teams reverse engineer brackets or ducts that have no CAD data.
That's true. And I recently heard a story about a university team using it to teach design students how to analyze ergonomics with real 3D data.
For sure. Education and R&D love it because it's affordable yet metrology grade. Even small workshops or startups can get into high-precision scanning without huge infrastructure.
It's almost like democratizing 3D metrology.
That's right. And since the Pro Series is part of a complete solution, hardware, software, support, you get everything you need out of the box.
And Creaform's support network is massive. Repairs and customer assistance worldwide.
Yep. Wherever you are, you can count on help in your own language. That's a big deal for field teams under pressure.
That's what makes Creaform unique. It's not just tech, it's people behind the tech.
Well said.
Okay, fun fact time. Did you know the Pro Series has a recommended part size range from 5 centimeters to over 4 meters?
That's a range. You could scan a tiny watch component and then jump to a motorcycle frame in the same session.
Wow. So one device can really handle both micro and macro projects.
That's the beauty of it. Flexibility and speed. And since it's Class 2M laser, it's safe for everyday use.
You know what's cool? That Creaform keeps improving each series without overcomplicating them. They listen to what users actually need.
Exactly. Every update is practical. Touchscreen control, integrated software, lighter build. That's how you earn trust for 20 years.
And still deliver something fresh each time. So, to wrap up, the HandySCAN 3D Pro Series delivers a best price-to-performance ratio, comes with Scan-to-CAD Pro, and keeps that Creaform hallmark: precision made simple.
That's the point. It's an incredible combination of power, speed, and portability. And it opens the door for thousands of new professionals to experience true metrology-grade scanning.
And to start designing faster, smarter, and with less rework.
You said it. Who doesn't love that?
So if you want to see the HandySCAN 3D Pro Series in action, visit our website at creaform3d.com.
And if you'd like a personal demo, don't hesitate to reach out to a Creaform representative. They'll be happy to show you the scanner, explain its advantages, and answer any questions you have.
Once you see it in action, you'll understand why it's called Pro.
And before we sign off, don't forget to follow us on social media.
Yes, you can find Creaform on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, where we share innovation stories, customer projects, and product updates.
And make sure to follow the Scantalks podcast on Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Podcasts, and iHeartRadio. More episodes are coming with experts, case studies, and behind-the-scenes insights.
Thanks for spending time with us today. And remember, with Creaform,
innovation takes form.
See you next time.